so ndi Nthondwa atikhale tikumva kuti kodi iye show yalero kuyona bwanji Nthondwa bobo
Bobo zikuyenda?
Tazi kuyenda nandifotokozera kuti kodi show yalero kuyona bwanji
Show it, Bo. Hey, this is sold out show. It's very beautiful, very nice. And we are with Zosangalas.
Tifotokozereko pang'ono za project yako.
Project Nanga end project Naidrus. I think I might go to 2 weeks. What should I say about it? It's a very beautiful project. People are supposed to stream it, listen to it. I have a lot of messages. I'm going project yo. Nipo ndambiri.
Komano sinanga project yako chaili ntirumba. Kodi anthu ena zaphikira bwanji?
Language is not a barrier here. Mamvera bwanji anyina makazi. Ine ndiye muzindu za njidumbu kaifanya. Munamfusako makazi kuti umayimba mujizuru bwanji.
Hey, what's your say over whatever you're seeing here?
I'm seeing beautiful people here at Chena. Yeah, sure. I'm seeing my artist somewhere I look up to, so it's beautiful.
So when should your fans expect a song that will cover our native language?
They should expect good music, because that's what good music is. You can't lie to do something into something that you're not really good at. You have to be you know? I love what Fixa did. He was doing it in Nyawa. He wasn't doing it for Yawas, he was doing it in Nyawa. I don't know if I wasn't doing it for Tumbukas, I'm doing it in Tumbuka. So it's for all Malawians, because we're all one.
Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
So your net freestyle.
Iwe wana sono kata city nakasanga nakalemba ngani moko wana moto bweka just ili mbweni moko pulimia ndine shila. Oh my god.